Right, we've just come back up to Weardale. We've come up here looking for more spotted flycatchers because we've been to the third brood now.
We've been here a few times this year because it has been a decent little place, hasn't it?
It has, we've found quite a few good nests in here. Seen quite a few different birds.
I was watching a video the other day. It says somebody who started doing what we're doing just the last couple of years.
And
he's got a video on.
Aye.
And it looks like it's mocking one of the videos what you've just put on.
There was a woman did comment on it saying that it was it looks like he's directed his video towards us. So I was gonna look in these trees again because the flycatchers are double treble brooded and there was a few nests around here. So they'll be into the third nest by now, easily. Might even be into the second nest, I don't know. But I'm gonna look on the backs of these trees because there were some good nesting places for them. I've still got the camera on because they could be just in the easiest of places.
Well, to be fair, now when we first found the flycatcher, it was a great first find as you didn't used to get them local where we live.
No, we
so
definitely.
We never found them. But up here, apparently they seem pretty
common.
Yeah,
common as hell.
It didn't really matter to us because it wasn't something we found.
No.
So.
And as someone, that bloke what I know, like on Facebook, he's found, what is it, 39.
Yeah,
just up and down here, you know, like in this entire area.
It's like you see when you're
Aye. There's a nest up here, I don't know what that is.
It's just some old thing in it.
Look at the inside being pulled up. Nice. We've actually got a couple of bird boxes down here now, haven't we? That's what we're planning is to come down and check them.
More for next year. I don't think we'll get out in them this year. We'll have a look like what.
We did see the red starts in them or whole nesters and the double and treble brooded, so we're hoping that they might have used one, you know. We put them out about 3 weeks ago, just on the chance, you know. We might be lucky, we might not be. But we've had a good year, so it could be. We're very optimistic. Well, we've come a bit further down looking for the flycatchers. We found a new one.
We just noticed this. We thought it was probably going to be out, but it has got a couple eggs in, isn't it? A couple.
Oh yeah. It's a bit of a tricky one, like.
It's not really tricky, but you can't like.
I cannot see it at the same time, like.
It's not that high. But...
Aye. I think it's got about 3 eggs in there.
Oh.
I can't quite see on the viewfinder, like. But that should be able to see them if they're in there. I'm seeing if they're in there. They're definitely in there.
3.
3, what I can see there? I can see them.
Instead, try you can show where it is. Now it's just like it's right on, right next to the river.
On the river.
It does just show you how common they are up here, like.
Yeah.
And like we're growing up thinking they're proper like hard. Wait, no, where we live. But,
Oh, nearly. We can hear them. They're all over doing here. Flycatchers. Common as muck doing here, like. Right, so we'll get away a bit further. Well, we've crossed over the water from down there, just because we've looked on the way down, and we're gonna.
On this side,
Nah, in the past.
Really.
We did seem to find more over that side for some reason. So we're gonna have a look up here. There's a lot of good old trees, isn't there? Hopefully we might be able to see that bird box what we put on the other side, but we're not sure what tree it was. I think it's been took because we just couldn't see it on the way down.
The first one was hidden quite well, wasn't it?
Aye. because these flycatchers hide the nests in.
You what?
I'm saying, like, the flycatchers hide the nests in good little places, don't they, where you can't really recognise them.
Thing is, now once we found that 1st
Mhm.
one, we're now away to kind of look new, so
Aye.
it's a lot easier.
You're well hidden, like. You just find them in them bits of where the branches are coming out of there. Even up there. Wouldn't be impossible to get them. But I wouldn't like to climb up there. Branches come down. Right, now I've got my little pen torch with us this time as well. This looks like a rabbit bullet. Well used, established. Lots of droppings. Some good places up here. Oh, that's where I found the first one. Just there. It was on building when I first found it. Come back and have been predated. The first flycatchers. It's just there. Spiders, webs and all things on there. Well, we're back up towards the core. We've just come over the bridge there. Found the flycatchers.
I didn't expect
A new
it
one.
by much, to be fair, so.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like you said, the other one back a few months ago would have been out of the moon.
Oh, definite. I even just 2 months ago. Mm-hmm. That was a good find. Still a good find.
Still nice, isn't it? It's getting
Aye, good and sunny. It's turned warm compared to the rain we had all afternoon. The farmer out with his gun.